We've got a wonderful little grouping today. They're all going to be $14.99 today and tomorrow. Then they'll go back to regular price. I wanted to show this linen. I think I've had a lot of questions about the linen, washing the linen. So I did wash the companion piece, and it's just, I washed it in Coca-Cola, as I've told you guys many times to wash in Coca-Cola. It's amazing the difference. I mean, it's just amazing that linen really comes to life here. So this is a, and I did 2 yards. I'm going to do a deal on this tonight, but I washed 2 yards and I lost 2 inches over the 2 yards. So not a lot at all. And I threw it in the washer and threw it in the dryer. So anyway, just FYI, it's a beautiful piece of fabric. It pairs beautifully with this viscose. This is 100% viscose. Again, they're all $14.99 today and tomorrow. Isn't that gorgeous? Just the combination is just incredible. The viscose, you know, jacket, pants, viscose makes a beautiful blouse. Oh, gorgeous. I put black in here because this is just a small piece we have left. It's 100% cotton. I keep getting asked for stretch wovens. This is a stretch woven. It's one way, 100% cotton. Again, it's beautiful. This is really, when I see a fabric like this, it's really year-round. It's 100% cotton, but boy, it's just beautiful. You just never know it's cotton. It's just, the hand is just gorgeous. 100% viscose, ties well with the black. The background on this is black. The camel, the cream. It's just really, really a beautiful piece of fabric. Great colors, great drape, stretch in both directions, 100% viscose. And look at the pairing with this, and then look at the pairing with this. Just amazing. But anyway, I love it when these fabrics coordinate so beautifully. This is a cotton lycra. It was on the tag was 98% cotton, 2% lycra. Beautiful, beautiful. Feels very much like a cotton. It has great stretch in one direction, stretch woven. And just, again, beautiful piece of fabric, goes well with, and of course our linen here on the end. This is how it looks originally. Now, I didn't even press this, didn't do anything to it. I just threw it Coca-Cola, and then threw it in the dryer, and that's what we came up with. So it's just amazing the difference. I'm just still always, even though I've done it so many times, I'm always just sewing. So $14.99 today, tomorrow. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.